But now we're going to get on to fitting the carpet. We've never done a carpet before, so
we're learning together.
First time for everything. Okay, so the first step, I'm going to start fitting these carpet grippers. They are sided, one side is obviously there's arrows, and the pins that are in there are angled, so when you stretch the carpet it will grip them that way. You want to set these about 7 to 8 millimeters off the wall, so I'm just using an old coaster for that. So next we're going to use a lining paper underneath the underlay. Usually it's brown, but we couldn't find any anywhere, so it's just a white lining paper. It does the same job. It's just basically to stop the dust getting up through the floorboards and into the carpet and underlay. So I'm going to put this down and then the underlay goes on after. So the lining paper's down, it's all taped up. Now it's ready for the underlay. So this is the underlay we bought. It's a Dial eco-friendly one. It's not a luxury one. It's just we're not going to use this room that often. So I think it was like 29 quid for a roll.
We did buy premium underlay for the main bedroom, but obviously this one had really good reviews. It's recommended. So Kieran's got a new weapon.
Yeah, boys.
God. Please don't shoot it at me. God, it looks like my grand's old carpet. You take your shoes off.
No, I don't.
You don't want to like get bits all on it.
Let's go. Yeah, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shoot tastes sour, you should taste mine.
I've done the underlay now, Kira will show. Really nice. Now we're gonna get the carpet and size it up and go from there.
I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the...
I find it mad how...
No, you've got to do that. That's what they say to do.
Got it. How different it looks.
That's what you do.
Got it. Show us your moves.
Try to get all the ripples on.
So what are you doing?
Well, I'm going to cut this one down a bit more because they're all kind of like that level. And then I'll show you what we're doing. So much to do, so much to say, so much. You getting comfy?
Yeah, boy.
Oh, it's quite satisfying doing that.
Do you remember when you tried to cut carpet with scissors? Yeah, and you got roasted for it on TikTok. Everyone was like, can't believe you're trying to cut the carpet with scissors. In the hallway.
Hey, but it was working. It's only bad if it doesn't work, it works.
Hello. Tell people in the comments that.
People are idiots. Where's your house?
Way too big for your boots.
Kind of shit that you could do the whole room and one little run cut. Whole carpet is just...
At least this carpet was free.
So I've bought these tools. Remember, as I said, I haven't done this before. So this is a carpet tucker and this is a carpet stretcher. Got hooks on there. Use your knee to kick it, whatever that was. I'm going to start in the corner furthest away from the doorway.
Update. Kieran's putting on his armour.
Yeah, I'm going to try the knee pads because everything I've watched, everyone's got knee pads on, and that just wrecks your knees. I'm sweating so much. Oh. Basically, with this, you want to go at a slight angle, and obviously because we left the gap between the skirting board and the grippers, you want to shove this carpet into that gap with this, so at an angle. Get it right in there. It's hot in here as well, isn't it?
It's not. It's hot for you because you've been working. So it's 5 PM and Ewan's tucked and trimmed basically this side and this side. Look at
Yeah,
your knees. Aw.
Okay, so for the last part, it's all hooked all the way around. I've trimmed half of the room now, but this is just how I'm doing it. Pulling the excess down and then cutting like about 5mm away from the skirting board. And then as I go along, I'm just to tuck that in under that gap that we left at the start.
So yeah, there's another bit then.
So the carpet's in now. I'll show you a pan round of the room. It looks quite good actually. What do you think of it?
Yeah, you should be proud of yourself. It's good.
It's good, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. So thanks for watching the vlog. This is the first time we've tried this style of video. We want to keep on going. If you enjoy it, leave any comments in the comment section below or any recommendations. Yeah, and we'll see you in the next one.